Ate Thelma. I'm from the Philippines and live in Manila. If you're keen on learning Tagalog and culture of the Philippines, I will help you achieve your goal. Lesson number 2. The basic Tagalog sentence pattern. In Tagalog, there is this basic sentence pattern, common plus topic. The topic is the talked about. It is the subject. It is the superstar of our sentence. The comment is what we say about the topic. The topic is represented by an ang form. The ang form is the topic in a sentence. For example, the president is a Filipino. Who is the topic in the sentence? We're talking about the president. Pilipino ang presidente. If the topic is a noun, it is represented by an ang form. For example, the woman is a Filipino. Who are we talking about? We're talking about the woman. So we say, Filipino ang babae. If we're talking about a person's name, we have C marker. For example, Maria is a Filipino. Who are we talking about? We're talking about Maria. Maria is a person's name. So we say, Filipino si Maria. Let's review. If we're talking about a noun, we say ang. So we say, the woman is a Filipina. Pilipina ang babae. If we're talking about a name, we have the C marker. So we say, Maria is a Filipina. Pilipina si Maria. The man is a Filipino. Your turn. Yes. Pilipino ang lalaki. Let's move on to pronouns. I, ako. So you say, I'm a woman. Babae, ako. I'm a Filipino. Pilipino, ako. I'm a teacher. Guro, ako. Let's move on to another pronoun. You is ka. You are a Filipino. Pilipino, ka. You are a man. Lalaki, ka. Your turn. You are a foreigner. Dayuhan ka. He or she is siya. Let's have this example. He is the president. Who are we talking about? He. So we say, Presidente siya. He is a Filipino. Pilipino siya. He is a man. Lalaki siya. Your turn. He is an American. Yes, Amerikano siya. He is a man. Lalaki siya. Let's move on to the demonstratives. This is ito. This is a table. What are we talking about? We're talking about this, which is the topic. So it goes here. This is a table. Mesa, ito. This is a chair. Silya, ito. This is a table. Your turn. Yes, mesa, ito. This is a building. Gusali, ito. Let's move on to another demonstrative. That, not so far, is iyan. So for example, that is a book. Libro, iyan. That is a light. Ilaw, iyan. That is a house. Bahay, iyan. Your turn. That is a dog. Yes. Aso, iyan. That over there, far from both of us, is iyon. That one is a building. Gusali, iyon. That one is a house. Bahay, iyon. Your turn. That over there is a light. Yes. Ilaw, iyon. Very good. Now, let's go to the plural forms of the ang form. The plural form of the ang, we say ang mga. For example, the men are Filipinos. Pilipino ang mga lalaki. The women are Filipinos. Pilipino ang mga babae. The tables are big. Malaki ang mga mesa. The women are beautiful. Maganda ang mga babae. Now, let's go to the plural form of the names. So we say, for names of a person, we say sina. For example, Maria and companions are Filipinos. Filipino, sina Maria. Sina has the built-in meaning of and others or and companions in English. So for example, Ana and companions are teachers. Guro, sina Ana. Let's move on to another plural form. The plural form of ako is tayo. Tayo is inclusive of all the hearers and the speakers. So we say, we are students. Estudyante tayo. We all are Filipinos. Pilipino tayo. If we, excluding the hearers, but only the speakers, we say kami. So we say, we, not you, are Filipinos. We say, Pilipino kami. We, and not you, are girls. Babae kami. Let's move on to another plural form. You, the plural form of it is kayo. So we say, you all are Filipinos. Filipino kayo. You, every one of you, are missionaries. Misyonero kayo. The plural form of he or she is they. So we say sila. They are Filipinos. Pilipino sila. They are missionaries. Misyonero sila. Now, let's go to the plural form of the demonstratives. This is ito. If you remember, these would be ang mga ito. So, for example, these are books. Libro ang mga ito. These are papers. Papel ang mga ito. The plural form of that, which is iyan, is ang mga iyan. Let's do it. Those, not so far, are lights. Ilaw ang mga iyan. Those, not so far, are books. Libro ang mga iyan. Now we have that one yonder is, if you remember, iyon. In the plural form, we say ang mga iyon. So we say those yonder are buildings. Gusali ang mga iyon. Now, let's go to the particles. Particles are additives of our basic sentence structure, comment, and topic. They usually occur at the second position of a sentence. Filipinos love to add particles in their sentences, although sometimes they do not have an exact translation in the English language, but they add meaning into our language. They add beauty in our spoken language. For example, we have the particle na, which means already. So, in a sentence, we say, Thelma is a teacher. Without the particle, we say, Guro si Thelma. Let's add na in our sentence. We say now, Guro na si Thelma. The particle is found at the second position of the sentence. Let's have another example. The particle yata, which means I think. So we say, without the particle, we say, he is a tourist. Turista siya. Now if we say, I think he's a tourist, we would say, turista yata siya. In pronunciation, the tendency when we have a pronoun, it flows together with the particle. So we say now, Turista yata siya. Turista yata siya. Let's have another particle. We have the respectful particle po or ho. So we say, I'm a teacher, sir or ma'am. Guru po ako. Guru po ako. With the particles, as I said a while ago, the particle and the pronouns would flow together. Guru po ako. Guru po ako. Now, let's apply what we have learned in a conversation form.
I'm pleased to meet you.
Ikinagagala ko po kayong makilala. Nagkakilala ang Australiano at Pilipino sa isang salo-salo. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi po naman.
Siya nga pala, ako si Sarah Brooks, taga-Australia. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Ako po si Ricky Santos. Ikinagagala ko po kayong makilala. Ano po ang trabaho ninyo sa Pilipinas?
Diplomata ko. At ikaw?
Empleyado po ako sa Department of Education.
Ah, ganun ba? Taga saan ka, Ricky?
Taga Cebu po ako, pero dito na po ako lumaki sa Maynila.
Saan ka nakatira?
Sa Quezon City po. Matagal na ho ba kayo sa Pilipinas?
Hindi pa naman. 1 taon pa lang sa susunod na buwan.
Pero magaling na ho kayong magtagalog.
Hindi naman. Heto pala ang calling card ko.
Salamat po.
O sige ha.
I hope you have learned how to introduce yourself. Thank you for listening to my lesson. I hope you've learned something today. If you want to learn more about Tagalog, please look at my books. Salitang Pinoy Tagalog Book 1, 2, and 3 series. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Any comments? Please, I welcome them all. Thank you.